We expect the market in India to grow significantly as time progresses. We believe that this growth will be driven by non-e-axle based motors, ones that are driven by belt and shaft. This is because the hybrid market is expected to pick up before the electric vehicle market picks up. And once the market for electric vehicles also picks up, we expect the axles to start dominating the market as we go forward. At this point in time, we believe that a high level of import dependence will be there. There are plans afloat for different suppliers to try and localize their components so that they can ensure that they can meet the needs of the local market here. So globally, there is a phenomena where everyone is trying to move towards permanent magnet motors because they see this motor as a solution that gives power density and efficiency, which is the key word right now in the world of electric vehicles. India also is going down this path at this point in time. But over time, we believe that looking at how the market evolves in India, with higher count of vehicles in the lower segments such as A and B, we believe that there is a possibility alternate topologies can be brought forward, because we do realize that permanent magnet motors have a high dependence on China for raw materials. Seeing how, say, the supply chains are becoming a little difficult to handle, we believe that there is a possibility other topologies would also come to the front.